and that's 2 of them, right? 2 of them. $50 for 2, 25 each. You go buy one of those new on the net, it's 160.
So I can take it to somebody like you, or I can take it to you. Wait a hold. Now I have poop in my pocket.
Batteries, deep cycle batteries. Here's an easy way to think of them. A starter battery is a sprinter. It runs like hell, and then it rests. That's just exactly what your star charging battery does. It puts out a huge amount of volts to get your car running, and then it rests. It may not run again all day. It works once a day. And it's a lot of fun.
You can overlay like a couple different tracks.
You want to come over for some pop? And I said, well, I just had a pop, so I'll come over later. And he said, it's from my hometown. Get it! Get it!
This is why Savannah gets the color.
Well, my name is Mike.
Yeah?
And this is my 2nd time here.
Okay, cool.
Yeah. And I really enjoyed it the 1st time. And this is good, but the weather's a little bit chilly.
Yeah, it's been a little hit or miss on the weather so far.
We're getting so just waiting for it to warm up here so we can really get down to it.
Settle into it. I hear you, I hear you. Well, nice meeting you, and we'll see you around, man.
All right.
I'm gonna go pester some more people. Yep.
That's what we're doing today.
You never remember my name. We've done this 3 years in a row now. You never remember my name, Tony.
I have a hard time with my own name. You need to talk with her. I'm just her other part. She's the one who does all this. You know.
Okay, well, Tony says that you're the star of the show.
No,
Are you
I'm
having a good time so far?
I'm having a good time, yes.
So you guys have that 4-wheel drive. That
We have
right
that.
there is a 4-wheel drive with a compound low, that Class C over there. Really cool rig.
Yeah, thank you.
And so you guys having a good time?
We are having a good time, yes.
And the weather's just going to get better?
The weather's just going to get, it's not bad. If you just bundle up and get out here, it's not bad. I'm surprised some people are staying inside. They should come out here and enjoy it.
Well, a lot of people are coming from colder states, and it's really not that cold compared to some of the other places. Well, cool. Thank you for taking a moment with us. This is Scott, better known as Scott and Laura, and they came in from New York. And this is what, your 2nd one?
2nd one, yeah.
And what do you think so far?
I think I love it.
Yeah?
A lot of good people here.
Right on.
Make a lot of good friends. Yeah, absolutely.
What do you expect to do while you're here? Are you going to go down and visit the big tent, or?
We'll check it out, yeah. We like the, all the vendors down there. There's lots to look at. You can spend the whole day down there eating bad food and looking at cheap stuff.
Good stuff,
Seeing lots of people.
You can hide.
Well, right on, man. Thanks for checking in, and we'll see.
Hoping for some heat.
Yeah, it's just going to get warmer. The weather forecast is no more rain, and it's just going to get warmer, so.
Love it.
Yeah, it's alright, I'll get there. Try my next bed.